Captain Cardoso.
So we will see a couple of changes here with Sekhukhune making way. Is he coming on?
Experience. Tabang Munare could not even protect the ball properly. The positioning of the ball is crucial.
Left from Mfundo Vilakazi. The wall does it. Now, Samgelo Zwane is looking to vision when he netted 3 against SuperSport United a week ago. Oh, living dangerously. Mfundo Vilakazi has given it away. Opportunity here for Sekhukhune, taken off the toes of Uhizu. Caused that situation. They are currently 9 points better off as Mfundo Vilakazi wriggles his way through, saved by Sangare. Now magical feet.
Because it was too obvious that once he changes the body posture to what he did now, you can tell that that's what.
Gamba under it. Vilakazi totally pings it forward. Miguel. Obrigado. Now Kunika. Mfundo Vilakazi again. Kunika to Ambo. Broken kindly here from Mfundo Vilakazi. He says, obrigado. Now stick that away.
Obrigado. That's how you take advantage of a team that has just had one of their staff members put it away, being red-carded. It's a lesson. And they were taught that lesson by this young man, Mfundo, for the keeper. And that's what he does.